Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. For centuries, we've looked at mathematics as this, ultimate bastion of absolute truth. We've built our entire understanding of the universe on the assumption that math is just perfect, flawless, completely whole. We kind of just assumed that if something is inherently true, a solid mathematical system could, without a doubt, prove it for sure. But what if that very foundation has a massive limit built right into it? Today, we're exploring a seriously mind-bending concept that literally shattered the illusion of mathematical certainty forever. We're talking about Gödel's incompleteness theorems. So I want you to really think about this fundamental question for a second. Can mathematics ever prove every true statement within itself using only its own rules? Like, if you have a genuinely true mathematical statement, can the rules of that system absolutely prove it's true? Well, before 1931, the greatest minds on Earth would have confidently said, absolutely yes. They figured we just needed to find the right rules. But then, a brilliant logician named Kurt Gödel came along and dropped a definitive, shocking answer. And that answer? It is a resounding, inescapable no. Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1. The rule breaker. Defining Gödel's theorems. Now, I'm going to slow down a bit here because this is the ultimate verdict, and honestly, it's incredibly dense. Gödel's incompleteness theorems state that in any sufficiently powerful, consistent mathematical system, there exist true statements that simply cannot be proven within that system. And on top of that, the system cannot prove its own consistency using only its own rules. Let's unpack that, right? Basically, if a mathematical system is powerful enough to do basic stuff, and it's consistent, meaning it doesn't contradict itself, it is guaranteed to be incomplete. There will always be truths floating out there that the system's own rules can never, ever mathematically prove. It brilliantly shows how math has built-in boundaries. It's almost like a closed box that just can't see everything outside of it. So how did he actually pull this off? Let's look at section 2, the paradox of proof, building the logical trap. What's really fascinating here is how beautifully simple this looks on the surface. Gödel constructed a super clever mathematical statement that essentially translates to plain English as, this statement cannot be proven. He took the rigid, rule-following system of mathematics and he turned it completely against itself just by making it self-referential. Let's walk through this inescapable catch-22 step by step. If we look at side A, if the statement is proven, well, then the statement, this statement cannot be proven, is a lie. And if a mathematical system proves a lie, the whole system is fundamentally broken. It's inconsistent. It contains a fatal contradiction. But look at the pivot on side B. What if the statement is unproven? Well, the statement literally says it cannot be proven. That means the statement is absolutely true, but it remains totally unprovable by the system's own rules. Think about that for a second. Either your math is broken and contradictory, or your math is incomplete. There is literally no third option. Either way, the system faces an inherent limitation it can never fully escape. It's a real game changer. So let's move on and see how this builds into the systems we use every single day. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this probably only applies to crazy, abstract, high-level university logic. But no, even a system as well-established as standard arithmetic contains true mathematical statements that can never be formally proven using just basic axioms. We're talking about fundamental, school-day stuff, addition and multiplication. Even within those incredibly familiar boundaries, there are absolute truths that those simple rules can never reach. And remember, Gödel didn't just sit in an armchair and philosophically speculate about this. He actually proved it mathematically. He locked it in as an undeniable fact of nature. So what happens when the foundation of absolute truth gets a permanent crack? Let's hit section 3, the limits of logic, the real-world fallout. The blast radius of Gödel's discovery expanded super rapidly and totally reshaped the modern world. I mean, it completely altered the philosophy of mathematics. It essentially birthed modern computer science by defining the theoretical limits of computation. It directly impacts artificial intelligence, and it puts hard boundaries on formal verification systems. The systems we rely on to make sure critical software doesn't just fatally crash. So the absolute crucial takeaway here is this. Gödel's theorems put fundamental boundaries on what any rule-based logical system can achieve, no matter how sophisticated, how complex, or how incredibly powerful it gets. Whether it's a computer, an AI, or a math textbook, if it runs on rules, there are truths it simply cannot reach. Which brings us to a really profound, lingering question. If some truths resist proof entirely, if the universe of mathematics is far bigger and way more mysterious than its own rules can ever contain, What happens when we look at mathematics' most beautiful and unifying equation, Euler's formula? How do completely different branches of a limited system come together to create something so perfect? Well, that beautiful resolution is exactly what we're going to dive into in our next explainer. Until then, keep questioning the rules.